Hello, everybody. It's Good back here for this episode regarding Java. I want to talk about something that I think is extremely important. That's not actually coding itself, but rather organization. I think that's extremely important. As we do know with coding, organization is an extremely important part of it. Within the code, you have to do things very deliberately. You have to put them in certain areas. If it's not within brackets of different methods or under certain constrictions, whatever it is, things break down. I think that this logic should actually go into the organization of your files as a whole. So this right here will just be a little brief demonstration of how to actually share and manage your files a lot better. So right here, I can share my screen, come in Java. Oh, here's the same lab for my last program. Okay, as you see here, wow, look how clean this is right here, right? Pretty awesome. So right here, I have a Java project. So this is my large folder here. Actually, I can even show you all this. So I put this on my desktop just to make things simple. As you can see here, Java projects right here. And look at this. Look how neat and organized all this is right here. All these folders right here. But look when I open them, ooh, so organized. Okay. So basically, to make this simple right here, this is just showing that, as you see here, I have my main folder, Java projects. And within that, I have folders to keep things aligned. I'm gonna open these up so you can see. Here's just a brief little idea of what this kind of looks like right here. By creating folders, you can much better improve your organization and come back to it. Also, I believe that it's very important to establish some sort of similar naming convention. As you can see here, lab program underscore one, capital lab, capital program underscore, and whatever number program it is. See, with proper organization, this makes it much easier to get back to your material. As you can see here in activity, I started to change up the script. I now started to put the date. So now I have activity 9 under 3 to September 13th. This is the best way to make your things really smooth and keep all your organization correct. In order to do this, it is so simple. Literally, all you will do here is just come up into the left tab after you open up your Explorer and you open up your folder. You will right click. You can do a new Java file is how you create a new one, right? You can also just create a new folder, which is up here. Let's just say I wanted a folder for all my let's do my practice problems. So I can name it practice problems. Cool. And now we have a new folder here, practice problems. Obviously it's empty at the moment, but practice problems. Now, whenever I want to create a new Java file, for instance, I can create it out here in the open area like that. Which I can, let's say practice. Oh, let me actually practice one. And it'll appear there. And by simply enough, I can move it. Boom. Move it there. Okay. And now you can see it appears here in practice problems. Or to make it even easier, if I'm hovering over it, I can right click. And if I do new class within, if I do new job file class within this, let's say I say practice two, it'll already automatically appear in the folder. Now, the only thing I will warn you is that with Gradescope, which we use, sometimes it could be a little iffy. But if there's no problem with Gradescope, the one other thing you do need to make sure is that whenever it's in a folder, above your very main method, you do need to put this line here, practice, and then whatever the name of the folder is, semicolon. As you can see here, look, package labs, because I named it labs. As you can see here, oh, I don't have it on this one actually. Oops. You see package activity. So all you gotta do is put package, whatever the folder name is, and then the semicolon. And just like that, you can have high quality organization and reference back to all your problems this easily. So thank you all very much, and see you in the next one.